瓜瓜
melon,
瓜瓜指葫芦科蔓生植物的果實，例如西瓜、南瓜、黄瓜、木瓜等。
It refers to the fruit of trailing plants in the Cucurbitaceae family. Examples include watermelons, pumpkins, cucumbers, papayas, etc.
西瓜的水分高達90%以上，熱量低且營養豐富。西瓜的水分高達90%以上，熱量低且營養豐富。西瓜的水分高達90%以上，熱量低且營養豐富。
Watermelon has a water content of over 90%, is low in calories, and is rich in nutrients.
多吃木瓜有助於腸胃消化。多吃木瓜有助於腸胃消化。多吃木瓜有助於腸胃消化。
Eating more papaya helps with digestion.
黃瓜口感清脆，水分充足，可以用來做蔬菜沙拉。黃瓜口感清脆，水分充足，可以用來做蔬菜沙拉。黃瓜口感清脆，水分充足，可以用來做蔬菜沙拉。
Cucumbers are crisp and rich in water, making them suitable for vegetable salads.
怪
Strange, odd, bewildering, very, quite.
怪的意思是奇異、奇特、不尋常的。
It means strange, peculiar, or unusual.
他性格孤僻，脾氣古怪。他性格孤僻，脾氣古怪。他性格孤僻，脾氣古怪。
He has a withdrawn personality and an eccentric temper.
最近怪事頻頻發生。最近怪事頻頻發生。最近怪事頻頻發生。
Strange things have been happening frequently lately.
怪指奇異的事物或人，例如妖魔鬼怪、妖怪、怪物、怪獸等。
It refers to strange or bizarre things or people. Examples: demons and monsters, goblins, monsters, strange beasts, etc.
你必須擊敗遊戲中的怪物，才能獲勝。你必須擊敗遊戲中的怪物，才能獲勝。你必須擊敗遊戲中的怪物，才能獲勝。
You must defeat the monsters in the game to win.
怪的意思是非常、很。
It means very or highly.
這茉莉花怪香的。這茉莉花怪香的。這茉莉花怪香的。
This jasmine flower is very fragrant.
我把你的衣服弄髒了，怪不好意思。我把你的衣服弄髒了，怪不好意思。我把你的衣服弄髒了，怪不好意思。
I got your clothes dirty, and I feel very bad about it.
怪的意思是感到驚奇。
It means to feel amazed.
這點小事沒必要大驚小怪。這點小事沒必要大驚小怪。這點小事沒必要大驚小怪。
There is no need to make a fuss over such a small matter.
怪的意思是責備、埋怨。
It means to blame or find fault.
这件事我也有错，不能完全怪他。这件事我也有錯，不能完全怪他。這件事我也有錯，不能完全怪他。
I am also at fault in this matter. I cannot blame him entirely.
謝謝觀看。